Hello, and welcome to this Bacon Bits video on exporting table data. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to export data from the various tables in Bacon. Let's start off with the endpoints table. So we'll go to Hardware and Endpoints. And here I filtered my table for macOS platform. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that when you export the table data, it's going to copy whatever filters you have in place here. So when we do an export, we go to Actions and Export here. And this will then download an Excel file to your browser. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look in Excel. Over in Excel, we can see we have those same two Mac OS endpoints, along with the different columns that we had visible in Bacon. So if we scroll to the right here, you'll see the various columns from our endpoints table. Now, going back to Bacon, we can take a look at a couple other tables. So moving from the endpoints table, let's go over to monitoring and alerts. This time I won't filter the table. So we have, let's say, 38 items here. So once again, we'll go up to Actions and Export. And let's check our spreadsheet again. All right, and this time we have 38 items and one header row. And again, the same kind of columns and data that we would have had before are visible here too. So lastly, we'll do one more table. This time, let's go back to Bacon and we'll do the user table. So here we have our users table. So we have first name, last name, email address, and so on. And for last time, I'll go to Actions and Export. We'll take a look at this one. And once again, we have our first name, last name, email, and so on. So that's all for this Bacon Bits video. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.